Hello and welcome to this video called Top RSS Feeds of this week. In case you did not watch my previous videos, here's a short introduction. I'm trying to minimize my backlog, so I process the items that I should read by creating a short video around them. I want to do this weekly and I want to keep it short and simple. And I will highlight maximum 5 feeds, and I do not mention them in any particular order, so it's not a top 5 or anything such. And we'll just see how it goes. Here are some rules that I've set. Most items appear to me via my feed reader, but I also use Google Alerts, Twitter, etc. It has to be related somehow to the IBM Collaboration Solutions portfolio. Most common are items related to application development, but an item on system administration can also be covered. Other areas like web development in general or IBM Bluemix are also part of my interest list. And this week I cover week 45. It was the week of Sutol, that is the Czech Lotus user group. Slides of my Cloudant session at Sutol. Frank van der Linde was presenter at the Sutol conference and he has posted his presentation on his Elsta blog. The presentation is a short introduction on IBM Cloudant, that is IBM's Cloud CouchDB offering, and Frank describes a range of aspects when developing applications and using Cloudant as database. Slides and demo code from my session at Sutol. Oliver Busse held also a presentation at Sutol on GraphNSF. That is the implementation of Apache Tinkerpop for IBM nodes in the OpenNTF Domino API. And on his blog, Oliver posts a link to his presentation and a link to a repository for a demo XPages application. And the demo application connects companies, employees and skills together. Domino, SourceTree and BitBucket. This is an elder post on the Oval Business Solutions blog, but is nevertheless worth reading. It's an introduction on setting up source control with the help of SourceTree. As a repository, BitBucket is being used here. So if you're not using a source control with Domino yet, then please look at your calendar and notice that it's almost the end of 2016. So make plans to place any development project under source control for the year 2017. For advanced concepts, Lucene search, geolocation, tracking and more. This is a newsletter from the IBM Cloudant team. Different indexing engines and programming patterns for Cloudant are demonstrated via a set of videos. I guess this is something to wish Barry Rosen of IBM for, to put something similar in place in IBM Domino. Hands-on your first GraphNSF. Okay, this is a shameless plug about a document that I wrote to implement GraphNSF in an IBM Team Room application. The document describes how to build a UI and define application logic to collect and interact with nodes and relationships that you derive from IBM Nodes documents. So if you haven't started looking at alternatives to model your nodes data, perhaps this is a good start. And that's it for this week. I thank you for your time and I hope to include your blog post soon. Bye!